Good morning, students. Today we will start our second chapter of EVS. The name of the chapter is Taking Care of Our Body. Let's start reading. It is rightly said that healthy mind rests in a healthy body. It is very important to keep our body healthy externally as well as internally. We should take good care of our body externally by keeping it clean and take balanced diet, proper sleep and exercise regularly to keep it fit internally. Means if we want to keep our body fit, then we should take proper diet, proper sleep, exercise regularly to keep it fit internally. Okay, keeping the body clean. Then we should know that how we should clean our body. Okay, we should keep all the parts of our body clean to get rid of germs. To keep the body clean, we should take a bath every day with soap and wear clean clothes. Get it? We should also wash our hair with shampoo at least once a week to keep them clean. With shampoo, you have to clean your hair. We should always oil and comb our hair properly. Okay? We should wash our hands with soap before and after eating something. Means if you have to eat something before eating, you have to wash your hands, and after eating also you have to wash your hands. Clear? Wash your hands after playing and coming from outside, as we touch various things that may carry germs. Okay, if you are playing and another activity you are doing, after that you have to wash your hands. Always keep your nails trimmed, as dirt may collect in the nails. You should cut your nails regularly. Germs may enter the body when we eat something that can make us ill. We should brush our teeth twice a day, in the morning and before going to sleep. Twice or thrice a day you can do the brush. Rinse your mouth after eating something. This will help you to remove the food particles that get stuck in between the teeth. Stuck food leads to cavities. Okay? Eyes are very essential for us, means very soft part. Okay, so we should so always clean your eyes with fresh water. Keep your ears clean. Always use earbuds to clean them. Never put any means sharp object inside your ears. Always keep your nose clean, as we breathe in through the nose. Keeping the body fit. To keep our body fit, we should exercise daily. It is good to exercise outdoors in the morning, as we get plenty of oxygen that keeps our body organs healthy. We should also go for a morning walk and play outdoor games. Yoga and aerobic exercises also keep our body fit. Means we should do exercise daily. Okay? Good food habits. We should know which food is healthy, which food is unhealthy. Okay? Food gives us energy. Food gives us energy. But we should understand the difference between the food that keeps us healthy and the food which can make us unhealthy. We should eat balanced diet and avoid junk food. Which food we should not eat? Junk food. We should eat meals at regular intervals. Means taking breaks, you should take meals. Also, we should eat fresh food and drink at least 8 to 10 glasses. How much water you should take? 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. We should include pulses, green vegetables, fresh fruits, wheat, milk and milk products in our daily diets. We should wash fresh fruits and vegetables that are eaten raw before eating. Means if you are going to eat apple, then you should wash before eating. Clear? Come on, next point, sleep. We should sleep for 8 to 10 hours at stretch to give proper rest to our body and mind. As our body gets tired by working continuously for hours, the same way our mind also gets tired. That's why we should take proper rest. Sleep sound gives rest to both the body and mind. We feel active and fresh after a sound sleep. Okay? Keeping the surrounding clean and green. To keep ourselves healthy, it is important to keep our surroundings clean and free from germs. We should keep the things in our surrounding dust free. Means we should clean everywhere where we are living. Instead of throwing garbage around, we must throw in the dustbin. Where we should throw the garbage in the dustbin. We should plant more trees for fresh air. In short, we should keep our surrounding clean and green. After reading the chapter, you will do this exercise of book of this chapter. We can keep our body clean by taking bath. Okay, we can keep our hair clean by washing. The best time to exercise is morning. We should throw waste in the dustbin. We should keep our surrounding green by planting more trees. Phillips, as our body gets tired, same way our mind also gets tired. Sound sleep gives rest to both body and mind. Oxygen keeps our body organs healthy. We should eat balanced diet and avoid junk food. We should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Now match the column. First, dirt can make collect in the nails. Stuck food causes cavities. Must eat balanced diet. Trees give us fresh air. Must exercise outdoors. Okay, and this activity you have to do by yourself. Your friend's name or another names you can write here of your neighbors. Okay, and you have to do this activity about them. Okay, and regarding question answers, we will send you the worksheet. You have to do the definition first, new words first, then you have to do the question answers. Okay, by learning. Firstly you will learn, after that you will do in your notebook. Clear? Thank you, Vita.